Hi guys, today I'm gonna do a Parade unboxing. You already know when y'all see a big red package, it's from Parade. Anyways, guess what? I'm getting my matching bralettes from my recent Parade unboxing. It was like 2 glow satin underwear, so yay, now I have the matching pairs. Can you believe it? Oh my gosh, thank you Parade. I just love matching sets, so I get excited. I'm like, yes, it's complete. They're completed. It's just wow. Okay, so you already know how they're gonna look like. It's basically the same as the underwears that I unboxed, but just bralette version. So both of these are in a size medium, and let's see. Okay, so the first one is this blue one. Ooh, this looks like a new design. Hold up. Okay, wait. Ooh, oh, I think it's upside down, but it looks like a mermaid. Ooh, it looks like a bikini kind of, but the bag, you see, this is new. It's kind of like ruffly, this style I haven't seen from Parade. Maybe they have sold these types before, but I haven't purchased one. So it looks like this. I think it's supposed to be like this because the underwear, yeah, it was upside down. Yeah, it's supposed to be like this. Yay. Yeah, it's exactly like the underwear. So it's, I don't know how to describe it. It's like water, but then I don't know how to describe the print, but it's girly, it's feminine. It kind of looks like water, but then like cotton candy, but then like artsy, kind of like, I don't know, it's just blue, pink. It looks nice. It comes with a clip. Girl, I can't think straight. Okay, so comes with 3 of these hooks, and they're skinny and it's stretchable. You see, it's not super tight like traditional bras, which I like, and it's breathable. And this is the glow satin collection, so obviously it's satin, it's not cotton. So it's just so cute. Finally I'm gonna be able to match now. So yeah. Oh, and I'm wearing Parade, obviously, and the shorts. But y'all can't see me. Anyways, okay, so the next thing is the second bra. It's yellow, of course. I love blue, I love yellow, I'm gonna feel like a princess when I wear this, the yellow one, because it reminds me of Belle from Beauty and the Beast. You know, I just love it. The color, oh my god. It's just traditional plain bralette. Oh, it's the same with this type of ruffle effect. I just love the color. And well, this feels like a large to me, but it's medium. Usually mediums don't feel this big. Yeah, this looks big for me. I don't know, maybe when I have it on it's gonna fit, but well, okay. And it's same material, same everything. It's just plain yellow. I'm so happy for this matching sets. They have different colors, prints. I don't know what to pick, so I'm like crap. But yeah, I think I chose well. They had a bunch of other, I could have gotten other bralettes, but I wanted a match. So yeah, yay. Thank you Parade. So yeah, ta-da. Okay, yeah, that's basically it. I do have a discount code. Oh, and thanks to whoever used my discount code, because that's how I got this for free, because somebody used my discount code. So now I'm kind of finally wearing a matching set now. Thank you guys. I don't know who said it. An angel maybe. I can't, but yeah. So yeah, I can't wait. I'm gonna have I don't know who's using my codes, but I'm getting another 2 packages. So I got like 3 packages for free back to back to whoever. I think it's from here. I feel like it's from here, not my Instagram, but I'm not sure, which is wow. The support is real. I can't. It feels wow. I mean, I have had people use my code, but like once every few months, like that, but not like 3 in a row, like back to back. That's wow. That's impressive. Okay, thank you guys. So yeah, I'm finally gonna try this on and see how it fits and looks. Okay, bye. Thanks for watching. Forget, I'm in the mood to show my tatas to everyone. This is not me. I'm conservative. I'm shy, but since somebody is using my codes, I feel like I should give everyone like an even more better haul review. So yeah, this is what y'all are getting. So obviously this fits perfect. Like wow, this part, the straps right here, the band feels very comfortable. The cup size too, it's not too big. Usually that's the problem for me, this area. I don't have anything. I know I'm like a 14-year-old girl, right? Which I don't mind. Oh, and yeah, you're gonna show a little bit of nipping. So if that's an issue too, then you know, just keep that in mind. Obviously you can wear like, where is it? I just had these recently. The nipple pasties are right here. These you can just do that if you want to use it to go out, like Coachella or those things that people use bras like this, tops, and then like shorts or those cool things. So you see the before and after. So you can wear it outside still, but you just have to wear these if that's an issue too. People don't care now, I feel like, to showing their nipples. But it's just an example if y'all struggle with, you know. But it's okay, it's okay. I'll work with it. I don't mind as much. I'll get used to it, but yeah. Very nice. So it's medium. It's my size. It was made for me, for my body. I just love it. Okay, so this basically the first bralette. Okay, bye. Okay, I'm gonna change to the other one now. Yeah, I have acne. I'm heating up, so ignore that. Anyways, so I am testing out the Maelly's acne products. I've also been using another brand before, so I'm using both. So yeah, anyway, yay, this is the yellow one. Look how pretty. I just love the yellow. It's just kind of looks lime green. It's not like so yellowish. It's like a both mix of both. I love both yellow and green, lime green. So wow. And this one is the different style. It's V-cut and it fits perfect. It kind of felt loose whenever I was unboxing it, because the other one felt normal, but this one I mean, feels a little loose. But then I think it's just the style of the cut that made it look and feel big, because when I put it on, it feels very great. It fits me, as you can see. And this is a different style. So this one doesn't show a lot of nip like the other one, but yeah, it still does. But anyway, so it's a pretty V-neck. It's open, wide chested. You can see everything, okay? Your cleavage. But it's a bralette, so you're not gonna really show it. I mean, if you want, you know. Yay! Which one's your favorite? It's hard for me to pick. I think this one's my favorite because of the color. I don't know, I love both obviously, but yeah, I would use the underwear and show you how it looks all together, but no, I'm not that brave yet to show my body with just a bra and underwear. That's not me, I'm sorry. But these are my shorts. I should probably show you, like, oh, this kind of looks like a dress now. Ooh, I kind of have ideas. And then put like a, okay, kind of like a chain. Ooh. Not me getting my fashion design ideas right now. Anyway, so yeah, and my shorts, I put it all the way up to to my boobs. I can't. I look funny. I look like I have a wedgie. Okay, anyways. Well, girl, if Selena did it, then I can too, right? She would wear bras like this. Not really that naked, but I kind of am. Yeah, this because I wouldn't go outside like this. This is not my style. But I will wear this obviously on top of clothes. I mean, this underclothes. Wait, yeah, underclothes. Obviously, like something on top. I can't, but yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I just wanted to show y'all how it looks on. Okay, never mind. It is kind of loose here. Yeah, it should be a little bit more plump, but because I don't have a lot of tata, that's, you know, but it's, I don't mind because it's not as big though. I really don't mind. Ta-ta-ta. I'm just kidding. I'm giving you a free show, so y'all better use my code again. Subscribe, girl, do everything, okay? Because I'm not showing this for free. I'm just kidding. If I had makeup on the views that I would have gotten, but no. That's how you know I really don't care. I really don't care what people think, but whatever. Okay, so that's basically it. So yay, thank you. Tell me which one is your favorite, which one would you wear. I think this one, it's just for me, it's just giving, but I can't stop staring at it. The color is just I feel good. I look good. Okay. Bye. Thanks for watching. Bye.